So welcome back guys, my name is Ramlan and in today's Make Launch Free campaign we go about looking at how we can mirror a laptop onto an external monitor, something like this. So this is basically the Dell Ultra Sharp 24 inches external monitor, and I would really want to work as if this is the screen that has all the content on it. So you may have seen this common setup for many YouTubers. So all they do is basically have the screen casted on that external monitor and they may be using an HDMI cable. So all the magic you need is basically in one of these HDMI cables. They are nothing but they are cables that transfer or transmit data from the input to a output. That output may be external monitor, it may be a TV, it may be anything. So you get one of those cables on Amazon. I will be putting out the link. I especially like this ones from Amazon Basic. They are gold plated and they transfer data seamlessly without lag and even 4K content. So kind of let's look at this relatively simple setup step by step. So let's begin. So as I explained, like any of this laptop which is the input, you need to first put the input thing here. So this HDMI in will go here. So this will now ensure that signals are going through this cable and this out has to go to the external monitor. So let's do that as well. So as you can see, this is the monitor rear side. So we have the HDMI, then the display port sockets, and then on the left we have the power socket. So we'll just neatly place the camera a little down and then we'll go about doing the insertion. So this HDMI, the input of which we have already put in the laptop. Now for it to transfer signals, it needs to come here. And this power thing, because this device needs to be powered, so we put it here. So far so good. And this particular monitor has a audio out. So we have this audio out. I use it with the splitter. What this does is it gives me the option of attaching this to flip speakers, JBL flip speakers. So I can then put this here to the speaker so that when the signals come, I can get audio out and into this speaker as well. So now let's look at what happens in the front side. So just let's kindly look at what has happened here. So the input has come and then transferred onto the HDMI here onto the external monitor. And also we had an audio out. So we took our audio out and attached it to a JBL speaker. And this is now how it looks from the front. I believe this is great. Now you can watch and you can do anything here as if this is the monitor you are working on. So this is what you see typically the setups have. Now, in case you have the same monitor, I will just kind of neatly show how you can actually monitor the sound. So what we can do is, in case we have attached the speakers, you can go to audio here and you can select the TV. Now the TV has been attached to this JBL speaker. So when we now play the video, so suppose I now play this video, what will happen is the audio will come out from this JBL speaker.
So welcome back guys.
And in case you don't have the audio out, don't freak out. You can always, even in that case, just go ahead and have sound coming in from the laptop speakers. So you select the correct speakers. Now when you play, what will happen is that the
we go about looking at how we can use
audio is coming out from this and not the JBL speakers. So hopefully now you understand how you can screen the laptop onto your external monitor. And hopefully if this all works well for you, kindly subscribe to our channel, click on the bell icon for notifications. Go ahead and do this and let me know if you have success doing this. And in case you have any issues, just let me know so that we can figure out a way for you guys as well. Check out the affiliate links in case you want the same monitor, the same HDMI cable. You can go ahead and make a purchase from that. I get a small commission, but that's how it works. But anyways, all that's for today. I hope to catch you in the next one. See ya.